Good morning class 2. Today I will explain you chapter 9 water. Go to page number 44 of your EVS book. Here you will find why is water important for us and what are the sources and need of water. Water is found in abundance on earth. Earth has got lots of water in it. Only a small portion of water can be used because fresh water is the water that we can use for our daily needs. Some portion of the water is in frozen form, that is ice, which we found on the mountain peaks. While the rest of the water is very salty, like the water of the seas and oceans are salty, which cannot be used for drinking purposes. Since water is found on earth and is used by humans, it is called natural resource. Let us find out more about water. What are the different sources of water? We get water from various places. The main sources of water is rain. When it rains, some rain water flows into rivers, lakes and ponds. Some rainwater goes under the ground. This water is called the groundwater. We dig wells to get groundwater from the ground. The water that we get from the hand pumps is also groundwater. It is drawn with the help of pipes. Here are some examples of different kind of sources of water: lake, pond, well, hand pump and river. Now go to the next page. Mountain tops are covered with ice. This ice keeps on melting. When this ice melts, it changes into water. This water flows down through the streams and join the rivers. We get water from the river. Ganga is one such river. Ganga water is used for various religious activities, as we know that we call Ganga, the water of Ganga, very holy. What are the needs for water? Water is very important for us. We drink water to stay alive. We need water to do many things like cooking, bathing and washing. Plants and animals do many things like plants and animals also need water to stay alive, to grow. Animals need water to drink. Clean drinking water is very important for us. Potable water is the water that is safe for drinking. It is also called drinking water. It does not contain any kind of germ in it. It is colorless and has got no smell at all. Water may be potable naturally. It may also have germs. Germ makes the water unsafe for drinking. It can make us very sick or ill. Water from rivers, lakes and ponds is not potable. It is not safe for us to drink. It is not safe for us to drink. We must ensure that the water that has been cleaned before drinking is good for our health. Water can be cleaned by a purifier which filters the water, removing germs. In case a purifier is not available, we can boil or filter the water. Boiling kills germs. We must store drinking water in a clean vessel. Food items that contain water. Almost all food items that we get from plants and trees has water in it. Food items that contain water includes fruits and vegetables. Some of the food items that contain water include watermelon, cucumber, strawberries, pineapple, oranges, lettuce leaf and spinach. Out of these food items, watermelon and strawberry have the highest water content among fruits, and cucumber and lettuce have the highest water content among vegetables. Causes of water pollution. There are various causes of water pollution. Water is very valuable. We must not waste it. We must not make it dirty. Some people wash their cattle in the water bodies. This makes the water dirty. Some people wash clothes in the ponds and rivers. This also makes the water dirty. We must not throw garbage into the sources of water. Now, how can we save water? Although there are various abundant ways on earth, there is only a little portion which is fit for human consumption. There are lots and lots of water on the earth. As we all know that the earth is covered with 1/3 of water and only one portion of land. Yet the sources of fresh water which we can use for our drinking purposes or any other work is very less, which is fit for human consumption. Therefore, it is very important that we use water judiciously and follow methods to save water. We should turn off the taps when not in use. We should fix faulty taps and pipes that leak. We should store rainwater and use it to water plants or for toilet purposes. For example, flushing in the toilet. Water can also be saved by keeping our water bodies clean and not dirtying them. We should also reuse water. Water is a precious resource. We must save water and not waste it. One way of saving water is reusing it. We shall now find different ways of reusing water. Point number 1, we should store rainwater and use it for watering plants and washing cars. Water used for washing clothes can be used to water plants. Similarly, water used once can also be used for flushing the toilet. Now, go through this recap box because you will get many answers, question answers or fill in the blanks answers from this area. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.